We're going to install a seat pedestal thing. And we measured so we don't hit the side of the live well or cooler. I already made my mark. I want this here. I just used a marker and drew the line. I'm going to use a punch to start my drill. Cut this out. Pick that out of there with something because it's going to be hot. It's not quite through. Yep, it's hot. Clean that up quick. Clean. I'm going to actually drill this foam out too while I'm here. Make an opening. We'll clean it up better later. Test fit this for a second. It fits. Now I'm going to mark where I want it, right there. And we did measure the seat, it'll just fit in here for when we're driving. Gonna mark all these. Hole punch those. Try to get them as dead center as possible. A lot of guys will use screws or self-tappers for this. I didn't want to because I have one of them specialty rivet guns that you can put bolts in the rivet. Hope these are lined up. Let's get that drill some power. it's making a different sound. It's a little thicker. Hurts my drill. Ooh, that's hot. That's too fast. What am I doing here? I'm on the hammer drill. Quick little visual. Make sure these are lined up. They're all good except for this one. So I'm just going to ream it a little bit more. That's close enough. Just gotta make sure these fit. It should be able to. No, I'm gonna have to ream a few of those more. Fits. One more. All right. Now I'm going to take this. The way this works, it's like a rivet gun. It compresses it in there. Thread this on. Stick it in the hole, and you close it. And then you back it out. And then you can use a bolt to bolt down the seat. Crimps it on either side. And these got the ribs or the teeth, whatever you want to call them, on there, so it pinches down on both sides when it goes in like a rivet. And this is my first time using this. I'm no expert at it, but it seems pretty simple. It's hot today. Thread it. Got one more to do. I can see it pinching around there nice. There we go. And then we can use the bolts in there to hold the seat down. Well, let's see how these are all lined up. See if I can get the thread started on them. One looks like it's going to be off, so I might not be able to put all 6 bolts in. Shoot. Let's back this off a little bit. Try though. We'll just use a little force. There we go. We can put a seat in there now. Oh. Tighten that down a little bit more. My son told me not to use the gun to do it because I could spin the rivets, but it's just a chance I'm willing to take. All right, there we go. We got a seat. Yes.